अरे there. Oh, go. Oh. So what's up guys, Sampooplays here, back with a new vlog. And today in this vlog we are going to be going in this haunted house, and we are going with full team precaution as I said in the first of the video. And we are going to find this ghost. Even though if we don't find this ghost but find evidences of the ghost, it's still okay. And you, in this video you are going to see one person get haunted by the ghost. So do watch this very short vlog.
It only drives so far without a breakdown. Baby, you're the queen of hearts. You know how to play your cards. You keep them face down. Oh, I miss your face. No, looking at your pictures, scrolling way down. Wishing I could fix all my mistakes. I wish I could erase you. Girl, I can't replace you. The one that got away. Girl, your energy feels so heavenly. Make me feel like la 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 la. You a melody, put in memory. It goes something like la 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 la.
Down south, hood baby,
Hood baby, yeah.
make all the girls go crazy.
Go stupid. But you smart like an A+ student. Up, down, right down, looking for your love right now. Right now. La 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 la. Up, down, all around, turn my stomach upside down. Oh, baby. La 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 la. Girl, your energy feels so heavenly. Make me feel like la 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 la. You a melody, put to memory. It goes something like la 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 la.
Okay guys, so today we are about to go to the haunting place, means haunted place behind that gate. Oh yes, and little bit quiet. And he is also ready with the gun, and he is about to he's also ready with the gun. He's about to go to the haunting place that is over there, right over there. And today me as Spiderman and he as nothing are going to explore the means to explore ghosts. Let us go. Spiderman doesn't take one. So this is the gate which is considered as haunted. As you can, yeah, as you can hear the noises. See the noises there, and as you can see, come here, very front, very front. Over there, there's one red light. Over there, as you can, if you can see, yeah, there, as you can see, there is one red light. Yeah, see, that looks very haunted. And yeah, that is which we are considering haunted, as many what to say report has been of haunting. Oh yes, and considering snakes and all that. Okay, ghost or not there, let us go here. Don't worry, you will be fine. Oh my god, the sound is already creepy. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is this? Nothing. Okay. As you can hear the sound, that is frog noise also. And here is the, as you can see, over here, right over here. This place is kind of haunted, considered as haunted. Oh, go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ghost was there. I just now felt a wave. Yes, come front. Let's go. Slowly. Yeah, wave is here, wave. Here, over there. Over there, come front. No, wait. Come here. Here, over here. Right over here. The wave is here. I can feel it from here. Oh, light's gone. Okay, right there. Right over there. Tree. Wait. Oh my goodness. Wave is coming front. Okay. Wave is actually there. Wow. Wait. Let us make a circle over here. Circle. Yeah. Here, over here. And now you see the magic. Spiderman magic. Arey my goodness, I can't see only. Wait. Can't see only. Wait 1 second. Not comedy. This is not comedy. This is not funny. Wait. Arey, what the heck? Can't see only. You keep charge. Yeah. Well, let me wait. Oh. Wait. Okay. Oh, there. Ah, there it is. Okay, let's go down. Come here. Where are you? Okay, he's also disappeared. Oh my goodness. Arey, there. No, go. You go front. Yeah, you go front. I'm too scared. Give me the gun. Wave is coming from here, but this is energy, so we can't be felt. So basically, the ghost is right over there, but wave is going up and then going there and going there. Now, that cannot be defeated by a gun. First of all. Oh. Yeah. So first of all, that cannot be defeated by a gun. Neither it can be defeated by a Spiderman costume. So, oh my goodness, there. So I guess it cannot be defeated. We'll come next time. I guess not today. Well, let me wear this. But how to wear this? Fine. We'll come next time, and we'll come more prepared. Cause it's still there. It's still there. Okay, as you can see, the light. Okay. Yeah, see that light? That is the main source. They were telling that the ghost is there. And yeah. We'll have to come next time, and next time we'll come more prepared. In day 2. Let's go. Bye. And that was not just it. We have even found that you have been looking for, that is the one of our team had got, means the ghost had got inside him, and he was sort of levitating and sort of sleeping in the chair, but he was not sleeping, he was controlled by another soul. And even we bought EMF reader and we got an yellow signal. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if we find more evidence, then we will sure go to that place and again search for the ghost, and that time we'll bring all the ghost stuff and all, and we'll try to catch the ghost totally. So yeah, bye.